back to Nigeria News and Entertainment, your favorite YouTube channel. Here, guys, we'll be bringing to you the update from day 3 of the BB Nigeria 2020 reunion show. For those of us who have missed it, I'm bringing you highlights of the show. I'm bringing you gist and the argument that occurred on day 3 of the show. I'm sure you've seen the trailer where Kimopra was shouting on Tasha. Yeah, everything happened yesterday on the show on the day 3, and this is the full gist of what happened. Stay tuned to Naija Gist to get the full updates. The Big Brother Naija Pepper Dem reunion show day 3. Here's all the gist and drama from the show. The Big Brother Naija Pepper Dem reunion clocks 3 days on June 3rd, 2020, with so much already happening and more still ahead. The third day of the Big Brother Naija Pepper Dem reunion finally produced the much-anticipated drama as a face-off between Tasha and Kimopra caused a stir among the housemates. During the reunion show, it seemed the housemates were accustomed by the host, Ebuka Obi-Uchendu, to tender their opinion on confidence and bragging as pertaining the controversial housemate Tasha, who was known and have been accused of bragging a lot. Now, Diane also felt that Omoshola bragged a lot about the arena games and it was allowed because he was good at it. Another housemate stated that she felt that arrogance, bragging and being a dictator was a card that she played in the house. Reacting to the questions above and based on her name came up on the list, Tasha at that point told Ebuka that she was never in Big Brother's house to brag or show sign of bragging. She was just being confident, and that seemed to her colleagues as bragging. Tasha cleared all possible doubts about the accusation and presented her explanation using the word arrogance. And to her, she was never arrogant and hasn't felt her character made her arrogant. She explained in quotes, "Arrogance is when you exaggerate your ability as a person or your abilities. Now, when you are reassuring yourself, arrogance is when you exaggerate your ability and possibilities as a person. There was no time I left my personal space to go look for trouble. You hear me right? And there was no time I intentionally put anybody down. It was your insecurity that's making you believe that." The gbasgbos started when Kim got a chance to talk about housemates who bragged while they were in the Big Brother's house. Kimopra did not waste much time to mention that Tasha is a typical one of the housemates who bragged on the show. Kimopra went back memory lane to state that Tasha made a statement that showed she is a person who brags. According to her, Tasha, while coming into the Big Brother Naija house, said the other housemates are following her to the show. Kim did not just stop at berating what Tasha said, but she was more specific about how she feels about it by saying Tasha was rude to have made such statement about her co-housemate. You do not need to ask for more gist about what later transpired between Tasha and Kimopra after that statement was made. The tempo and the pitch of the Big Brother Naija 2020 reunion show went dangerously high and rowdy, and at this point you should not be asking why. Tasha took time to reply Kim saying she's feeling that she brags shows she is simply incapable of dealing with her insecurities. She shaded Kim by reminding her that she left the show early and that was something she needed to deal with. Apparently, that hurt like a scratch on the face, so that statement made Kim to bring back a not so pleasant memory of how Tasha was disqualified from the show, stating that it is better to leave the show honorably the way she did than how Tasha was sent packing. A lot of other questions were raised about insecurities and bragging, and you would have needed a whole notepad to pen down different definitions of insecurities and bragging, plus the differences, the angle-dragged reactions from Venita, Pofure, Sheyi, Ike, Esther, Fraud, who all took turns to share their thoughts on the borderline or lack of or face-off between confidence and arrogance. It was a prime opportunity for Venita to throw some icy dagger in Tasha's direction. Venita then stated nobody should feel the need to bring people down to feel good about themselves, and I think Tasha will learn that with time. I was like that when I was younger. She also chipped in, there is a difference between bragging, which is as a result of your insecurities manifesting, and confidence, which you have after dealing with your insecurities. Tasha in turn replied that there was a difference between confidence, which she is, and arrogance. I was never bragging or putting anyone down, it was your insecurities playing down on you. Esther, on her part, was of the opinion that bragging to make someone insecure or bring them down on the show was a way of playing the game, but such person should equally be ready for the aftermath of his or her actions. She finally added, bragging is like an empty barrel rolling down the corridor void and making the loudest noise. So moving on guys, now the BB Naija 2020 reunion is getting more interesting with lot of gist and long time scores coming up again and causing some storms on the show. On the third day of the BB Naija 2020 reunion show, Mercy again made another profound statement about herself, which her fans and followers will all find interesting. Remember the argument about those who came into the Big Brother house to brag and those who are confident. During the poll, Mercy's name came up several times about those who brag in the house. It was said that she bragged with her clothes and dressing. When it was time for Lambo to respond, her answers were typical of the queen of the mercenaries. She simply said, I did not brag about my dressing or my clothes. It is just that I hardly repeat clothes. Okay, now we're getting close to getting other secret of Mercy's great looks. She continued by adding that even if I have to repeat clothes, it has to take me months. Now, in case you're writing the secret of Mercy's great looks down, that's your number 2. Mercy was not ready to hide anything about the reason she will never show up anywhere looking anyhow. So she went ahead to say why she does all she has been doing when it comes to her looking dope. I just love looking good, I love to dress up, that is just me. I have been like that even before going into the house. Now, if Mercy says looking good is what she loves doing, then you will not be surprised about how she always looks radiant and taking pictures that her fans cannot wait for like, share and retweet daily. It was however revealed on the BB Naija 2020 reunion that Mercy went into the Big Brother Naija house with 3 boxes filled with clothes. And to confirm that, she said she did not repeat any clothes during her 90 days in the Big Brother house. According to Mercy, she does not brag with her dressing. She is merely doing what she loves, and that is looking good. So when next you see Mercy dressing to kill, remember I told you that her great looks come from her love for it. Ebuka ended the show with the quote, "You were born to be real, not perfect." What are your thoughts on this video? What are your thoughts on the arguments in the house about bragging and being confident? Do you think Tasha was right to have made other housemates feel that way? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when the story drops. Stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment as we'll be bringing you the final day of the BB Naija 2020 reunion show. Stay tuned and I will let you know when the story drops.